Make a great choice today with the 2015 Express. The Express offers massive spaciousness, style, safety, and a surprising amount of optional features. With enhanced towing and hauling capabilities, the Express is built to get the job done. This vehicle has less than 145,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, electronic stability control, USB connection, power windows. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.